viewers, welcome to Sharing Experiences. Today I'm going to share my experience with baby bottle sterilizer which come from Love Lab company. It's of a round shape which helps you to keep other vessels like baby serving bowls, spoons or glass items. You can sterilize up to 6 bottles in this sterilizer, and other than normal bottles, feeding bottles, you can put flux bottles or any glass bottles which you can store your baby sterilized water. So let's start the video.
Here comes its base portion. Here it has one indication. Once you will on the indication on this button, the indication will start giving you a age symbol. The best part of this sterilizer is once it will start the steam generation, it will show the change in the time. It will start with from 6 to 1. Here is the part you can open it, you can rotate it and you can open it, and you can assemble some bottles here. Here generally I put 2 bottles, and here I will put this small portion on this area, and above that this big round shape will come. This bottles generally I put in the down portion, and see how we have assembled the bottles here. Lots of space in the down portion and in the top portion, so I can put other items here. So this is ready. I have to put water here. It's around 90 ml of water, a purified water you have to put. Generally I use baby's boiled water in this, and the water level should be like that bottom should be filled with the water. So now I can put this portion. Here you can see the top portion is quite big. One big bowl, one big spoon, and one small spoon I kept here. And here you can put some small glass as well. And bottom also there are quite empty space you can see. So now this is ready for sterilization. I will start the switch and we'll see. If you are putting other bottles, big bottles like flux or glass bottle, you can remove this portion and you can put it here. So now this is ready for sterilization. Once I will put the switch, it will show the indicator. See, now you can see the indicator of age, means the heating has started. Once it will start the steam, it will start showing the minutes. It will start from 6 minutes. The blinking will come once I will switch on the button, so it will start generating the steam. Now you can see the it's coming as 6 minutes, so it started. It will reduce the minutes once it will be done. See, now it is coming as 1, and once it will finish it will show the indication of E. And see, now the beep 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 sounds are coming and it is showing the indication E, means your sterilization is completed. Another thing is, here is the tongue. It comes with the sterilizer. It is very helpful if the things are hot inside. You can use this tongue to avoid burn your hand or fingers. I'm using this bottle sterilizer from last 6 months, and so far I have good experience with it. I generally put flask or glass bottles once in a week, and it is very safe for glass bottle as well. When I purchased it, it came around 1800 for me. It is easily available in Amazon or Flipkart, even in First Cry.
Viewers, if you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe my channel for this type of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.